Hi students, in the previous recorded sessions we discussed about active to passive voice. Today we shall be dealing about homophones. So you have heard the words like weak, I'm too weak, I cannot get up. Oh, this week was this week I spent very happily. See, I use the word weak and weak, where the pronunciation is same but differs in meaning. Yes. Look at the word here. Homophones. What do you mean by homo? Homo means it's a Greek word for same. Okay? And phone or phones means that is also a Greek word means sound. Okay? So the words which has the same sound is nothing but homophones. Clear students? Yes. Look at the example here. W-E-A-K, weak. W-E-E-K, weak. This is also weak, this is also weak, but they differ in meaning. Is this the same? If I say W-E-A-K week, W-E-E-K week, 7 days forms a week. Like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday forms a week. But this week is not well. Is this clear, children? Yes, that's here where the meaning differs. Look at a few other examples which they have been given in your textbook. Price, price. Even though they have given C and Z, but it is pronounced the same way. Price, price. With soft Z and hard S. Price, price. Okay? So what is the price? What do you mean by price? Just tell me. You know, right? You go to a shop, you want to buy something. What's the price of this pen? You ask it, right? That is, what's the amount? The money you pay when you buy something. That is price. Oh, she got first prize in the school, in sports. That is prize. It's nothing but an award. Okay, or a reward. But this price is the amount you pay for something when you buy it something. Is this clear? The next example is peace and peace. Peace and peace. What is this peace? Please, I want peace. Don't make noise. What's that? Peace is nothing but sukoon, tranquility. Okay? That's tranquility. And another word is free from any disturbances. There is no disturbance. Usually when somebody dies, what we say? Rest in peace. R.I.P. We use this, right? R.I.P. or sad face. That is rest in peace. That is free from disturbance or a state of calmness or tranquility. And this piece, if I say this is a piece of chalk, a small object or a tukda, this is sukoon. Is this clear? The next example is whole and whole. Whole and whole. This whole is full, entirely. Whole class come out means everybody in the class has to go out. That is, whole means full. And this whole is, what is this? An hollow place. Like surah, rosen. Normally in our language we use it, right? That's whole and whole. The next example is right and right. This right means where we write it something and this right is correct. You know the difference between this right and this right, right? Usually this write is nothing but where we write. Okay, write in your books means likhna. This write means, oh, you've answered it correctly or rightly. That's right. Right means correct. Route and routes. This route is nothing but which is the route to Bangalore. This route is a way and root is a part of plant, that is jad. And weather and weather. Weather and weather. This weather is related to the atmosphere and how it is very cold or it's sunny. We call that as weather. It is related to particular time and place. And this weather is related to when we are in doubt whether to go or not, whether to sit in class or not. That is this weather. Expressing a doubt, a choice between alternatives. You will be having so many dresses when you go to buy a dress in the market. There you see so many dresses that you will be confused. I don't know whether to buy this or that. That is weather. Is this clear? I have explained it very clearly. The homophones, that is right, price. Right is likhna, right means correct. Price is the amount you pay when you buy something, and price is a reward. Peace is free from disturbance or tranquility. This piece is a portion of an object or a piece of cake. This hole is full and this hole is in a hollow place. Hollow means chances surab ban sakte. This root is a way and root is a part of a plant. This weather is related to atmosphere, time, weather that is the atmosphere at a particular place in time as regard to heat, cloudiness, dryness and etc. And this weather is nothing but expressing a doubt or choice between the alternatives. When you have 2 or 3 things, you express a doubt whether which to buy and which not to buy. That is the difference. The assignment is you will write the statements out of this words and you will show it like when you come to school, you will submit it. Okay? So this they've given on page number 24 in your textbook. Make sure you go through it and you can finish this one. So stay home. Bye bye.